In the last lesson, you learned how to prolong vowels and how to stress them. In this lesson, you will learn how to reduce them and why you need to reduce them. Let me show you. Let's take a word like symbol. We have two syllables. The first syllable is stressed, and the second syllable is reduced. When we have a reduced vowel, we don't pronounce it fully. We don't say symbol. We reduce it and we pronounce it as a, symbol, symbol. So the O changes. Let's look at another ending with O. For example, we stress the first syllable here, low, low, but we don't say local or local. We reduce the second syllable and it becomes the local, local. So you see OL and AL sound exactly the same because they're both reduced syllables. So any vowel can sound like when it's part of the reduced syllable. Let's look at another word. This word, if it's a noun, it's pronounced as record. The first syllable is stressed. Record. This O changes. So it's not O, it's a. Record. If it's a verb, this word is pronounced record. I'd like to record my voice. In that case, the O is fully pronounced. It's prolonged and it's stressed. And this part now becomes short. It almost disappears and it becomes the sound. Record, record. The same thing happens when words are reduced within sentences. Remember I told you we stress the key words like nouns and verbs? Well, we reduce the little unimportant words like prepositions and articles. For example, prepositions like in, on, at, for, with, by. These words are not very important. So the vowels inside those words can sound really short and they sound like So we don't say at, we say ut. We don't say look at me, we say look at me, look at me. We don't say to, we say t. I'd like to talk to you. So don't say I'd like to talk to you. Reduce that vowel and say t, t. I'd like to talk to you. We don't say for, we say for. So don't say I'm looking for you. Say I'm looking for you. For. Let's practice some sentences now. Let's meet at 2 o'clock. So don't say at and o'clock. Reduce the O in the word o'clock. Let's meet at 2 o'clock. I'd like to talk to the pilot. So don't say I'd like to talk to the pilot. The O in pilot becomes a. I'd like to talk to the pilot. Let's meet for breakfast. Don't say let's meet for breakfast. It's let's meet for breakfast. I'd love to go for a walk. Don't say I'd love to go for a walk. Say I'd love to go for a walk. So remember, reduced syllables and reduced words have the sound.